Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how you can delete a post from your Facebook page. So first of all, make sure that you are logged in as your Facebook page profile. You can do this by clicking on your profile image onto the top right, and then from this list you can actually switch between your profile and your page. So you have to select your page and then you have to go into your page, and let's suppose that we want to delete this post. So I will click onto the three dots, and here you can see that I have the delete option here. So if I click on this one, it will ask from me, but make sure that you are the admin of the page, or you have access to delete the post. So when I click on delete, it will gets deleted from the page. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.